Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use future coupons in KuCoin. First, log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Futures section. Look for the Coupons or Voucher Center, usually found under your profile or a dedicated Promotions tab. Here, you will see all available coupons, including their value and expiration dates. Carefully review the usage rules for each coupon before activation to ensure you meet all requirements. This initial step is crucial for maximizing your trading benefits. Once you have identified a suitable coupon, click Activate or Use Now. Some coupons might require a minimum trading volume or specific contract types to be eligible. After activation, the coupon's benefits will be applied to your futures trading. For example, a fee deduction coupon will automatically reduce your trading fees. Always confirm the coupon's status after activation to ensure it is ready for use in your next trade. KuCoin futures coupons offer diverse benefits. A common type is a trading fee deduction, which can be a percentage off your fees or a fixed dollar amount. Another popular coupon provides trial funds, allowing you to practice futures trading without risking your own capital. These funds often have specific profit withdrawal rules. Additionally, some coupons might offer margin bonuses, effectively increasing your available leverage for trades. Understanding these benefits helps you choose the best coupon for your strategy. To get the most out of your KuCoin futures coupons, always keep an eye on their expiration dates. Plan your trades accordingly to utilize them before they expire. Also, check if coupons can be combined with other ongoing promotions or campaigns for even greater value. Remember, these coupons are designed to enhance your trading experience and reduce costs. Make sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.